Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to be showing you some amazing dupes to luxury makeup. So if you want to see some awesome affordable makeup that is comparable to your luxury makeup, keep on watching. For Chanel, I just use one color and then I add concealer to lighten me up in certain areas because it is a tiny shade darker depending on the season, okay? So let's go ahead and get started with my Milani Amber. And what I like to do with this is when I'm not gonna use a beauty blender today. I'm actually just gonna use my brushes today. So I like to take a little steel makeup plate and put a little bit of the foundation on there. Okay, so we are going in with Milani, and we're gonna go in with Milani on our budget-friendly side, which is this side. I keep forgetting. I love, love, love this foundation. Okay, so this is what the amber is looking like on my skin. Now I'm gonna go in with the chestnut color, and this is where I go in with the darker. And I will say that Milani feels so good for the application as well. Okay, so now I am going to go in on the other side of my face with the Chanel. And the shade of the Chanel that I use is BD 121. So I wanna quickly show you guys, you'll see on this palette here, if you notice, these two colors equals my Chanel. So that's one thing with the Milani, I have to wear two colors to get one match, but with the Chanel, I do have this one color which pretty much matches these two together. Difference right now with the Chanel is that the Chanel does have a fragrance smell, which I don't mind at all. I think it smells really nice. I actually really love it. The Chanel is gonna cost about $60 for the foundation versus $10.97 for the Milani. So definitely Milani is gonna be way more affordable. Now, if you wanna have a nice, luxurious foundation, you know, just in your stash, then, you know, this would be really great as well. But, I mean, as you can see already, it's already starting to look very similar. This side is Chanel. This side is Milani. Like, you really cannot tell that one side is Milani and one side is Chanel. I always like to say that I think that Milani's Conceal and Perfect foundation is a really great dupe to the Chanel Ultra Laitant. This is Milani and that's the Chanel. I mean, it looks very similar. This is driving me crazy to have my eye like this, so let me do my eyes first really quick. The side that you see here, the budget-friendly side, is actually the most amazing item ever. This is the Eye Method eyebrow stamp. So you'll see it's very defined as well, but this eyebrow stamp is really amazing. It comes with so many stencils. It comes with this cute little bag, and it comes with obviously the stamp, which I'm cleaning today. I keep saying I'm gonna clean it, but I need to take the time to clean it. So I know it looks a bit crazy right now, but it also looks crazy because I don't have the other brow done, but I'm gonna get in there and fix that with the concealer, but I wanted to show you that. But for the luxury brow, let's go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow. I'm just gonna go in to get this brow in order. This is what it looks like. Very similar to the eyebrow stamp packaging. And this one is in dark brown. Wow, what a difference. Okay. So this is going to be the eye method. If you love that dramatic look, like that super microbladed bam look, then this is really, really amazing. This side is going to be my Anastasia Beverly Hills. Retails for about $21. And then the eye method, since it's a whole kit within itself, that one's gonna retail about $19-ish. So here we are with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Dip Pomade. This is the Chanel Ultra Latente Foundation in BD 121. This is the Eye Method Eyebrow Stamp in color number 08. It's in my Amazon storefront as well. And then this is the Milani Conceal and Perfect with a mixture of chestnut and amber. So that's what we're looking like. And honestly, right now, you could not tell me that I'm not wearing the same foundation. It looks very, very similar. Let's get into our concealer. Okay, so I'm going in with my Milani Conceal and Perfect. You guys, honestly, this is my favorite concealer. I'll be going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer on the luxury side, and then I'll be going in with the Milani Conceal and Perfect for $9.97 versus, I think this is like, if you can get this, it's probably like $20 to $30 for this one. So beautiful. You guys, I love, love, love this concealer. Okay, so let's go in with this one. And when I tell y'all I am using this until it is done, look, completely just the rim. I cannot, it's so hard to find that I have to just, you know, I gotta keep it. I have to keep it in case it's discontinued. So I'm just gonna do that one on this side. I'm just gonna put it underneath here. Here's what it's looking like. So it's giving pretty similar. This one is, obviously this one's gonna be a more of a creamy consistency, but let's blend it. All right, so that's what the concealers are looking like side by side. This is Anastasia Beverly Hills. This one's called Stick Foundation, but it's the Stick Foundation, but I use it as a concealer. And then this one is the True Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer. So that's what we're looking like. Still looking very similar, you guys. Okay, so that's our concealer. Now, let's go in and clean up these brows. What I like to do with the concealer, so I'm gonna take the Anastasia Beverly Hills on this side, and just what I like to do is go into this arch and over the whole top of the lid. So now I'm gonna go in with this brow with the Conceal and Perfect, and I'm just gonna put a little bit on here because it is a liquid consistency. It's more liquid than the Anastasia Beverly Hills. Look how nicely that covered up that little spot. So this is what it's looking like. Before we go forward, here's where we're at. This side, again, is our luxury side. We've got Chanel foundation, we've got Anastasia Beverly Hills brows and concealer. This side we have Milani foundation, and then we have Milani concealer, and then we have the Eye Method eyebrow stamp. So that's what we're looking at right now. Okay, y'all, so I really sped this part up just because I went ahead and used my Pacifica eyeshadow, and then I went in with my Milani Cheek Kiss cream blush. I didn't really have a luxury versus budget friendly here, and I just really love these products, so I went ahead and used that. Everything that I used here will be linked in the description box, so that is it. Carry on. So I've done the top with my Infallible Cat Eye. This is in the color black, and then I will go in with the bottoms. with the Chanel eyeliner. So this is my Chanel liner. I always gravitate towards this one. It's the classic pencil liner, and this one is in the color Coffee Bean, and this one I'm gonna put underneath. Okay, so now we have the eyes done. I will show you guys. I was gonna just use my luxury powder, but I do have an affordable powder that I'm also going to show you. We will just go ahead and start powdering now because, you know, this is just a very much affordable versus luxury makeup. It's nothing, you know, too crazy today. So let's go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder. This is the one that I'm gonna go with for my budget friendly side, and then for my luxury side I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Peach Loose Setting Powder. And I'm not gonna use the same brush, just so you guys can see. Again, this is the Maybelline Fit Me powder in Toffee Caramel, number 330. It's gonna be in my Amazon storefront. You can also use this powder if you wear wigs. It's really great if you wear wigs and you want to, you know, put it in your part or conceal anything. The Maybelline Fit Me is super affordable. The Anastasia Beverly Hills loose powder, there's a lot of product in here, and this is Deep Peach, but it's you can see the price is $38, but it's gonna last you a long time. $38. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills, and with my loose powders, and powder in general, I don't use very much, so just a little bit. So I'm gonna go in here and just get okay, so this is gonna be the Maybelline side, this is the Anastasia side, and honestly, you guys, I'm telling you, I just cannot really tell a difference that I'm wearing two different makeup brands, like multiple different makeup brands, but like I can't tell which side is luxury and which side is affordable, honestly. I think they both look absolutely amazing. So let's put the powder up because you guys know me, I may make a mess, I may spill something, so. Also, another powder that is really great that I was going to use and show you guys, but I found my Fit Me and I thought that would be better because it is even more affordable than this one. But the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Fresh Wear 24-hour foundation in a powder is also really great and affordable. This is great for if you are on the go and you want to just look put together. This is a foundation in a powder form. It is amazing as well. I have this in my Amazon storefront. I do have shoppable video for you, and I also have it, you know, on other platforms, TikTok and things like that, where I've done an actual demo. But let me go in with my Chanel eyeliner again and just get my beauty marks from where the foundation may have covered it. And I might as well finish this off with a lip. Let me see. Okay, I have a luxury lip for you here, and then I'll do a budget friendly liner. How's that? Let me do the liner for that. So this is gonna be the liner. This is the Milani Understatement Lip Liner, number 230, Push It. This is from the Salt and Pepper collab that Milani did with Salt and Pepper. And then for my luxury lipstick, I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Lady Bold. So the color on this one is number 6, Trailblazer. And look at that color before I put it on. It's so beautiful. Ooh. I got excited all over again like I've never worn this before. So that is the Trailblazer in number 6 Too Faced Pigment Lipstick. Here is the finished look, you guys. Honestly, these are really, really great comparisons as far as if you're wanting to get something, if you don't want to purchase a luxurious foundation like Chanel, I highly would recommend the Milani. The Milani, in my opinion, the foundations are going to be very, very, very comparable to the Chanel Ultra Le Temps foundation if you wanted to go with that. Both have the same equivalent coverage, in my opinion. So let's actually set the makeup. My Makeup Forever Mist and Fix. This is the one I like to use. Okay. And you literally cannot tell that I'm wearing two different makeups. You cannot tell at all. That is it. I hope this inspired you to not be so hung up on the super expensive makeups if you don't have the coins, or not even if you don't have the coins, if you just want to save and be more on the budget friendly side and invest your money somewhere else and don't want to spend a ton of money on makeup, then this should have really, really helped you, because you can see, you guys, you cannot tell which side is luxury and which side is budget friendly. Like, it looks the exact same. Thank you again so much for tuning in, and I guess I will see you guys next time. I am like super happy that, I mean, besides the brows, you literally cannot tell that I'm like, the face is giving. The face is really, really, really giving, okay? Thank y'all so much. Thank y'all so, so much. See y'all next time. Bye, everybody.